Hi, this is Jackie with WTI. And if, like most people, you are looking for the perfect nude pinks for every season, I have got you. These are them. The NYX Professional Makeup lip pencils. They, first of all, go on so smooth and creamy, but second, they are the perfect nude colors. This trio is the color Ever, Pink Nude, or Nude Pink. I always forget the name of that one, but I use it enough that I should remember because it's almost gone. And the Peekaboo Neutral. So these three come in a trio pack, or you can get them separately, but I love each one of them. Ever is the one I have on now. It's just a slightly pinkish brown with a berry hint. It's the darkest of the trio and perfect for fall. Anytime really, but that's when I'm wearing it. The Nude Pink is almost gone. It's the lightest of the trio, and I almost wore it out this summer because when I'm a little more tan, I like a lighter color on my lips, and so that's when I used up this Nude Pink. And the Peekaboo Neutral, this one is a little bit more, it's a little lighter than Ever, darker than the other one, but it's the most neutral. So it is good. Any of these shades can go with just about any color lipstick or gloss, or even on their own, because this liner does not dry out. It does not crumble or bunch up or get stuck or break easily. It's just beautifully made. Wonderful product. Highly recommend these, and that's my point of view.